Welcome to Neural Review. Today, we are reviewing the most anticipated wearable of 2026, the Apple Ring.
This is Apple's first smart ring, and it's creating huge buzz in the tech world.
Here's the Apple Ring 2026 in titanium black. Look at that premium finish.
The design is incredibly thin and lightweight. It feels very comfortable on the finger. Available in 3 elegant finishes: titanium black, silver, and rose gold. Unlike other rings, Apple Ring has a sleek, seamless design with no visible sensors on the outside. Let's talk about the main features. It comes with advanced health tracking. It monitors your heart rate, blood oxygen, and even ECG on your finger. Sleep tracking is one of its strongest points. It gives you detailed sleep stages and quality score. New in 2026, it can detect stress levels in real time using skin temperature and heart variability. Apple Ring also tracks your daily activity, steps, calories, and even workout automatically.
One of the biggest highlights is its impressive battery life.
Apple claims up to 8 days of battery on a single charge. The new Apple Ring 2026 continuously monitors your vitals, the subtle cyan glow indicating perfect synchronization with your body. Charging is super easy with the included magnetic charging case. It works perfectly with iPhone and integrates deeply with Apple Health app. You can see all your data directly on your iPhone or Apple Watch.
Now let's talk about the performance. The sensors are extremely accurate. Extremely accurate.
Compared to Oura Ring, Apple Ring feels more polished and user-friendly.
However, it currently only works with iOS devices.
Android users cannot use the full features of this ring yet.
Pricing starts at $399 for the standard model and $499 for the Pro version.
Is it worth buying in 2026? Let's give the final verdict.
Pros: premium build, excellent health tracking, long battery life, seamless Apple integration. Cons: expensive, only works with iPhone, no Android support.
If you are deep in the Apple ecosystem, this is currently the best smart ring you can buy.
For everyone else, you might want to wait for Android support.
So, final score from Neural Review Heis, it is 9.1 out of 10. This is a game-changing product for Apple fans.
Would you buy the Apple Ring 2026? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Neural Review for more honest tech reviews.
Turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. And make sure to watch our full breakdown of the new Apple Ring 2026 right here.